Now, after writing FER, that is finite element representation diagram, you people have to start writing the individual element stiffness matrices. As per FER, since there are two elements E1 and E2, it becomes very necessary to write down two individual element stiffness matrices K1 and K2. In this sheet, we have written the individual element stiffness matrix corresponding to element E1 consisting of nodes 1 and 2. As per the formula sheet, we have an expression for element stiffness matrix for element 1, that is small letter k1 is equal to EI by LE1 cube into 12 4LE1 square 6LE1 6LE1. 12 4LE1 square minus 6LE1 minus 6LE1, the numbers that are written in red color. Similarly, minus 12 2LE1 square 6LE1 minus 6LE1, and finally the numbers written in green color minus 12 2LE1 square minus 6LE1 6LE1. Since the length of the first element E1 is 4 meter, in this particular expression, you substitute the value of LE1 within the bracket as well as outside the bracket as 4 meters. That is, LE1 is equal to 4. From the problem definition, we have the value of E into I as 40,000 kilonewton per meter square. That is, when converted into SI unit, the resultant number to be written in the numerator of the K1 expression is 40,000 into 10 to the power of 3. All these numberings which are written in the expression are shown in the particular sheet as a second equation written. Here, students have to keep in their mind two important points. Point number 1, length LE1, flexural rigidity EI are substituted as numbers which are having the SI unit in meter. That is 40,000 kilonewton per meter square is equal to 40,000 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per meter square, as well as the magnitude of LE1 is substituted as 4 meter. Every number is in same SI unit system. Next, when you substitute the value of LE1 as 4, you concentrate on only the first 4 numbers which are written in black color. That is 12, 4LE1 square, 6LE1, 6LE1. After substituting LE1 as 4, first number there is no difference, simply write it down as 12. Second number 4LE1 square, 4 into 4 square, that is 4 cube 64. Similarly, remaining two numbers 6LE1 6LE1, that is 6 into 4 24. You have to find out only these 4 numbers from the matrix. Next, you students have to do like this. Simply copy these 4 numbers 12, 64, 24, 24 and write it as the next set of numbers which has been shown in this sheet in red color. To write the next two sets of numbers, the only modification you have to encounter in your mind is, instead of 4le1 square, we have 2le1 square, which is nothing but half of the number already you have found out. Thus, the third set of number, simply write down 12, 24, 24. Instead of 64, you write down half of it, that is 32, over. Finally, you copy and write down the last set of numbers, 12, 32, 24, 24. At last, you write only the minus sign to the elements present along the third row and the third column except the coinciding number. All these informations has been written in this particular sheet for your kind reference.